Hey everybody, it's Landon. I'm gonna be doing a video of buying 8 Pro Packs today, so subscribe below, and I'm gonna start. Go there, 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 there. Oh, an 83, Karl Anthony Towns. That's a good pull. I'm hoping to pull an Elite, but not in that one. I'll show you my teams at the end of this video, okay? That one was trash. Storylines. Robin Lopez. Okay. That's not a bad pull. Tyreek Evans. He looks weird. And they got 2 more. Dang it, this is trash. Nope. Come on. Okay, I'll just update my team and I'll show you my teams now. Oh, 6 trophy pack. Sweet. Okay, my team. So my two-way team is pretty trash. My small ball is okay. My favorite team is my defensive. And then big man and shooting. So yeah. Thanks guys for listening. So subscribe below.